Recently, I have seen a footage. From the footage, I saw apparently an adult. She, together with a very young child, appeared in a situation where it is likely to be a place of demonstration or even riot. Now, the question is the child and also the person in charge of the child, are they guilty of any offense? Now let's talk about the possible offenses that the two of them are likely to have committed in a situation like this. They both may be committing the unlawful assembly, for example, or riot, based on the concept of joint enterprise. Now, on the other hand, the adult who is in charge of the child, she may also have been committed the offense under Section 27 of the Offense Against the Persons Ordinance. Now, that ordinance says that for a person who is in charge of a child, and if he or she unnecessarily expose the child to potential danger, then he or she is guilty of an offense under Section 27. And it will attract imprisonment.